Ooh, okay, let's try this again. What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So I tried filming this. I filmed this entire thing like probably a week ago and I was really sick then, so I sounded like a man, but I was gonna use it, but then when I went to edit, a bunch of the footage was like gone, so I was like, so I'm here again filming it for you guys. So this is my first try-on haul on this channel. Bear with me because I'm still new to this, so I'm still getting the hang of things. So basically I filmed the try-on portion of this like probably a month ago, and I'm just got around to like finishing it because I had school and it was a busy time, and I also was a little lazy, so but anyway, I'm here now filming this for you guys. So I did a little shopping over a few months. So I went to TJMaxx, Shein, and Boohoo. And Boohoo, this is the first time I've actually purchased from them. I kind of didn't have the best experience. The clothes are great, it's just the rest of it was a little but if you want, I can probably go into a little more detail in a different video if you want, just of my initial reaction of them. But anyway, let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing that I got from Forever 21, oh, I forgot to say that. I got stuff from Forever 21 too, and Banana Republic. But anyway, I got this oversized jean jacket. I have another jean jacket from Banana Republic that I got like years ago, but it's more fitted, and this is oversized, and I have worn the absolute crap out of this, and the quality, I'm actually very surprised. Forever 21 sometimes their reputation is not for, you know, the best quality, but I think they've stepped up their game over the past few years, and this is like good denim. Like, this is really, really good. So I highly recommend going to get yourself a denim jacket from Forever 21. It was really cheap. I think I got it maybe for $25, if that. Yeah, I love it. I wear it all the time. I'm gonna go next to TJMaxx. I'm gonna do the shoes last, but yeah. Okay, so the first thing that I got from TJMaxx is this shirt. It's like a taupey color. It's by the brand Active USA. I also have another shirt that I'm gonna show you next from that brand as well. Sorry, some of this stuff is really wrinkly because I just had it folded. But this is like, the material is really nice. It has that keyhole detail on the front of it. I don't wear this that often because it's currently like Arctic temperatures here in New England. If you notice, yeah, if you live anywhere around here, you know it's like probably 10 degrees outside, so it's really freaking cold. So I haven't been able to wear this, but it's cute. The sleeves are probably in the middle between a 3/4 length and a regular short sleeve, so they're like kind of like this, to be honest. But yeah, I like it. It's nice. It's really long. Yeah. Next from TJMaxx, I got this one, which is also from the brand Active USA. This one I like a lot. It's like a plum color, I guess. It's short sleeve. I've worn this working out. It's great. And I've worn this just regular as well, or regular going out. I like it. Again, sorry, it's wrinkly. It's been folded. But yeah, it's nice. It's nice and breathable. Good fabric. Nice. I like it. Okay. The next thing that I got is this sweater. It's pink. I don't know what kind of color this would be. Pink, pinky purple. It's by the brand Pink Rose. It's got that what's called, you know, the choker detail. There you go. It's long sleeve, very comfortable. I wear this to work all the time. It's very flattering. It's a good length. It's not like too long, but it's like, it just hits you right. But yeah, I really like it. It's really comfortable. Okay, and then the last thing that I got from TJMaxx, I believe it was from TJMaxx, either that or Marshall's, but I'm pretty sure it was TJMaxx. I got this periwinkle? No, baby blue. sweater by the brand Poof. Long sleeve. It's got that, I wouldn't say they're bell sleeve, but they're like, the sleeves are like bigger and they kind of open at the end of it with a nice slit, and then it has a tie on it that's attached to it, and I just tied it into a bow. And then it has the high-low detail on the bottom of it, and it has a slit on the side as well. I like it. It's really, really comfortable. Keeps you nice and warm. Wear this to work all the time as well. Yeah, if I can find any of this, I can link it down below. I probably won't be able to since it is from TJMaxx and none of the stuff is really online. But if I find it, I can link it down below. Okay, so next we're gonna do Shein. Shein is probably one of my most favorite websites to shop from. I probably shouldn't shop from there as much as I do, but all the stuff is really cheap. It's pretty good quality. It can be sometimes a hit or a miss, but I've got hits most of the time. I highly recommend the shipping. Their shipping is really good. I haven't really ever had a problem with them, so if you guys are looking for a website to shop on, definitely Shein. Need to breathe. Okay. Alright, so the first thing that I got from Shein is this heather gray ribbed crop top. There's also another thing that I got from there, but I don't know where it is right now. It's a white lacy bralette that I got from Shein as well, which I've worn under this and another thing that I'll show you. Again, I don't know where it is in my room, but I wore that underneath here. It's really nice, it's comfortable. Again, I can't really wear it right now since it's like 10 degrees. But yeah, it's not like super cropped, it's like kind of just below the belly button, but I wear it with just high-waisted pants or high-waisted shorts and it's perfect. So the next thing that I got from Shein, I haven't really been able to wear because sorry if you really can't hear me, my furnace just turned on, so it's a little loud. Anyway, so I got this. It's a bodycon t-shirt material dress. It's very like thin. The reason why I haven't been able to wear this is because you can see everything. Like everything. Like even if you wore like a thong, you could still see it in this. Like the materials, like it's not see-through, but it's like super thin, so any bumps, anything, you can see it in this. I really like the color. It's like an army green color. I really wanted to wear it with like that jean jacket from Forever 21 that I just showed you, but I haven't been able to wear it. I'm gonna try to find a way to wear it. If you guys have any suggestions on how I can wear this without showing anything, let me know in the comments below, because I really like it. It's just I can't wear it without showing everything, so yeah. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this crop top with a flower detail on it. I've seen this a lot lately. It's been pretty popular. It's just a maroon color. It's really cropped because your girls are a little bigger, so it's like super cropped on me, but I really like it. It's really cute. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Just wear it with like high-waisted pants, high-waisted shorts, and you're good to go. The next thing that I got is also another crop top. This one, I really like the color. It's like a mauvey pink color. It's got that like tie detail down on the bottom. Again, this is like really cropped on me. But I really like the color. I think it looks pretty good on my skin tone, I think. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but I really like this color. Yeah, just wear it with, again, high-waisted pants, high-waisted shorts, and you're good to go. So the last thing that I got from Shein is probably one of my favorite things that I've gotten. It's these these striped pants. They're black and white striped pants. They're very stretchy. They're super, super comfortable. I've worn it with this shirt before. Also, actually, no, this is the last thing. But anyway, so just these. It has pockets. I think this is pretty flattering. It makes your butt look good. I wore this to what did I wear this to? An internship fair with a long sleeve turtleneck, a black blazer, and some black booties. And I think I looked pretty professional. I got some compliments on my outfit that day. But it's almost like you're wearing pajamas, but they look stylish, and it's like perfect. So yeah, I will link all of this down below. If it's still online, I'm pretty sure it is. It should be, because it hasn't been that long. But yeah, so that's what I got from, oh wait, my camera just shut off, so I'm going to try to get this done quickly. So yeah, I got this shirt from Shein as well. It's a good length, it's not cropped. I wear this all the time, it's really cute. Highly recommend. I will link that down below. Okay, so now Boohoo. This is the stuff that I got from Boohoo. Just 2 pairs of pants and shoes that I'll show you. So I just got the only issue with these pants is that the seam in the back is like shifted, if that makes any sense. Like they're not on center like where it's supposed to be. But I still like them. They fit perfectly. I'm a size 6 in pants if you need any reference. But I just got these. They're distressed. They're both light wash jeans. And my favorite part on the bottom, it like cuts off and has a lighter part on the bottom with some fraying. It's by the brand Boohoo Blue. I didn't say the brands of the other ones, so sorry, but I'll link those down below as well. But yeah, I wear these all the time. They're really cute, love them. And then the last thing are another light wash pair of jeans by the brand The Rock and Rev. They're a little bit lighter than the other ones, but I like them, and they have the rips in the knees. These are probably my favorite jeans that I've owned because they fit like so well. I did have some issues with like Boohoo, but I'll get into that in a different video if you guys want me to. But those are just the 2 pants that I got from Boohoo. So staying on Boohoo, I got these sneakers. They're like a nice mauve-y color. They're kind of the same color as one of those shirts that I showed you earlier. They're definitely not meant for athletic activities. I suppose you can try, but I wouldn't suggest it. They're really cute. They're really comfortable. I've worn them a few times, just with a nice like athleisure kind of look. But yeah, I like them. They're really cute. From Banana Republic. As some of you might not know, I work at Banana Republic outlet, or Banana Republic factory store, so I get a good discount there. So I got these booties. They're in a nice, again, taupey color. Those are the sneakers are more of like a taupey, like pink tone to it. These are definitely like a taupe. They're not the most comfortable. I wouldn't suggest wearing them for hours at a time, but they're really cute. Wear them to like an event where you sit down and you just want to look kind of casual and you're sitting down most of the time. I would highly recommend these. They're really cute. I've worn them a few times. They do have a few like stains on them, like when I bought them, but like I'm not really bothered by them that much. But yeah, I like them. They're really cute. Fix my hair. Last but not least, I saved my favorite for last. I got these shoes from TJMaxx a few months ago. I've only worn them a few times because they're a little bold, so they're probably not everyone's cup of tea, but I am like in love with them. They're kind of hard to style because they are very out there. But I love them. They're so cute. They're pretty comfortable. Again, like the other ones, I wouldn't wear them for hours at a time, but I would say these are a little bit more comfortable than the other ones. But anyway, it's these babies. I love them. They're from the brand Franco Sarto. I probably said that wrong. But it's just these. I bought them for probably like $30. But when I looked at them on the website, I think on the Franco Sarto website, I believe, I can't remember, they were like $130 or something. They were like over $100, which thing just turned off. Anyway, so yeah, there were a lot more on the website. You can probably still find them in store. I'm not sure. You can probably check. But if you really want them, just go online and look up Franco Sarto. I think the name, there was like something green in the name, like they described it as like a green color, which I can kind of see why, but I would say it's more of a gold. So it's just black and gold paisley print. I want to say that's paisley. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's what it is. Just has like leaves and flowers and just a whole bunch of designs on it. But yeah, I absolutely love these. They do have a little fraying on them already, which kind of sucks, but I still love them. I wore them actually to Christmas. It doesn't really fully match with the shirt, but I did wear this with this shirt and high-waisted black pants and my jean jacket from Forever 21. But yeah, love these. Highly recommend getting them. If you can find them online for cheaper than what I found them on, good for you. You should get them because they are so freaking cute. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed. I think I did okay for my first time. I did go shopping since then, so I'm gonna try to do maybe another haul after this one, but probably not for a little bit. But yeah, leave a like and some comments down below. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.